What if I told you that the answer you've been searching for is already inside you? That the doubt often clouding your judgment isn't protecting you, but actually blocking your greatest source of wisdom? However, you can overcome it. Today, I'm going to show you how to use a 2,400-year-old questioning technique to tap into your intuition and make decisions with unshakable confidence. Hello, I'm Dr. K, and I've spent over 3 decades helping women reconnect with their inner wisdom as a humanistic psychologist. If you're tired of second-guessing yourself, overthinking every decision, or feeling paralyzed by self-doubt, this video is for you. In this video, we're going to explore how Socratic questioning, one of the most powerful tools in humanistic psychology, can become your gateway to trusting your intuition and reclaiming your decision-making power. So let's begin. What's the problem? Here's what I see happening with so many incredible women. You have this amazing capacity of intuitive knowing, but you've been taught to dismiss it. Society tells you to be logical, rational, analytical, and while these are valuable skills, they're only part of the equation. Your intuition isn't some mystical woo-woo concept. It's your innate ability to connect to millions of data points, your past experiences, emotional intelligence, pattern recognition, and to present you with deep insights your conscious mind often can't access. But then, doubt creeps in. You start questioning, am I being foolish? What if I'm wrong? What will others think? And suddenly, you're stuck in analysis paralysis, disconnected from your own inner knowing. What's the solution? Socratic questioning meets intuition. This is where Socratic questioning becomes revolutionary. Instead of using it to tear apart your thoughts, which is how most people apply it, we're going to use it to excavate your intuitive wisdom. The Socratic questioning is based on the tenet that you already possess the knowledge you need. The Greek philosopher Socrates believed that learning isn't about cramming in new information, but rather drawing out what's already inside you. In humanistic psychology, we call this your organismic wisdom, your innate ability to know what's right for you. Your body, your emotions, your subconscious mind, and your soul are constantly sending you signals. Socratic questioning helps you decode those signals. The beautiful correlation here is your intuition speaks, but it speaks softly, sometimes in images. Socratic questioning provides a quiet, reflective space for you to actually hear it. It removes the noise of external expectations and connects you directly with your inner voice. The method, the T.R.U.S.T questioning framework. I've developed what I call the T.R.U.S.T questioning framework to unlock intuition when in doubt. T.R.U.S.T is an acronym. Each letter denotes a word which elicits a specific question. The T stands for tune in, then ask, what is my body telling me about this situation? Notice tension, discomfort, excitement, or resistance. R for reflect. What would I choose if I knew I couldn't fail? This removes fear-based thinking. U for uncover. What am I afraid will happen if I follow this feeling? Name the fear to defang it. S for seek patterns. When have I felt this way before, and what happened? Your intuition often recognizes patterns before your mind does. T for test alignment. Does this choice align with who I am becoming? Your intuition always guides you toward growth and authenticity. Now, here's a practical example of how the framework works. Several years ago, a 43-year-old client of mine was offered a promotion that looked perfect on paper. More money, prestige, and recognition. But something felt off, and she couldn't decide. I encouraged her to apply my T.R.U.S.T questioning framework. She spent a few days going over the framework. She discovered her body felt heavy whenever she imagined herself in the new role. When I asked what she'd choose if she couldn't fail, she immediately said, "Start my own consulting business." What was her fear? Financial instability. After reflecting on past patterns, she recognized her best career moves had always felt risky but exciting, not heavy. This gave her clarity. She then turned down the promotion and launched her practice. 2 years later, she's thriving financially and personally because she trusted her inner wisdom. Know this: your intuition is not a luxury, it's a necessity. It's your internal GPS system, guiding you toward the life that's truly meant for you. Why not try this right now? Think of a decision you've been struggling with. Apply the T.R.U.S.T framework. Ask yourself the previous questions and really listen, not with your head, but with your whole being. Then observe what happens. If the video has resonated with you, hit the like button and subscribe for more transformative content. And here's a challenge for you. For the next 7 days, before making any significant decision, pause and ask yourself just one question. What does my intuition say about this? Share in the comments below. What's one time your intuition was spot on, but you almost didn't listen to it? I read every comment and I'd love to hear your story. Remember, you already have everything you need inside you. It's time to start trusting that still voice. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep accessing your inner wisdom for clarity. Bye for now.